gosh. Wow.
No one wanted to say.
Oh my god.
Oh god. Hey, Georgia, say hi to the camera. Hi, camera.
Are you taking a video?
Yeah.
You are?
Oh my god.
I can only see what's coming. The other girl's here. Good times in this next Sorry. Oh, he's back it up.
Uh-oh.
I can see like right up your crotch.
Thank you. Yeah.
Okay. Woo!
I'm not pushing.
You're out in the middle. It's tough, bro. Oh, you're so fun.
I'm gonna let him like jump so high with all that.
I can see hopping it and it's driving, but I think you can right here.
Oh my god. Having a blast like it. Oh my gosh.
Where? Oh my god.
Let's take the boat.
Are we just holding backwards? Go get it. I want it. Are you still recording?
I'm sorry.
Oh my god. Is that on Facebook too?
Yeah. It's Facebook lets me. She's like, see, like, don't let you like do like really long videos.
How long is this video?
So far, it is. Let's see.
Please keep your hands and feet and head in the vehicle at all times.
Please. Oh look, there's more food for the animals. Where? Right there in the corner by Georgia.
Where? Yeah! Oh my god, I know, I'm sitting on it. On that here.
Like, dang it,
Look at my head. Okay. Sorry. Man, dude, I love it. That is passing the thing. It's more fun whenever you don't know what's coming. I know. I'm in that. Sorry. This is so fun. I know. George, get in the middle when you're not. Wait! Yeah.
Oh, look at the bird.
Oh my gosh, it's really pretty out here. It's so pretty.
Let's camp.
Oh.
Really?
Wow, it's really pretty.
It's really pretty.
So, where can we get it? Just in the, like right over here with these guys.
Let's get it.
Yeah,
We could do it. We could.
We'll see you. It's really peaceful.
We could do it back where they burnt whatever they burnt back there.
Let's get close to the houses. They'll be able to see it. Yeah.
But will it, like, if we burn it here, will it burn like the grass and stuff?
Yeah. We'll water it.
Will it make a fire?
Yeah. That's what we're burning the couch.
I know, but will it like make a
How about right where we're standing? Or right
forest
where
fire?
Because there's not a bunch of grass right here.
The wind's going that way.
Will it still be blowing that way tonight?
Probably something.
How about we throw the couch in the water and then burn it?
That's what I said.
Okay.
That works.
Or you think anyone would come out?
What if we make a forest fire?
Not unless they have a friggin' Hummer. Well, then we better fucking haul ass him out of here. You can drive faster. I was trying to tell y'all to look to the left because y'all, like, if y'all would look to the left, all you would have seen is, like, 5 feet down.
Okay.
When? Yeah. Like,
I'm still taping.
Yeah, no, I don't think it'll go on Facebook now. It might.
5 minutes and 37
It shouldn't be. You can't put that on Facebook now.